Victorious Children Learning Academy is established in 2010. We are located in Villa San Mateo 1, our first building, and now we have our second building at Sala Road, Gitnang Bayan 1, San Mateo, Rizal. We are accredited and recognized by the Department of Education. We also have local affiliates and U.S. accreditation. At Victorious Children Learning Academy, we have 3 learning modalities. Option A, face-to-face. Option B, home-based learning. And option C, blended learning. Option A, face-to-face learning modality natin, it's the usual na yung mga bata everyday pumupunta sa school with teachers na nagtuturo sa kanila. And isa sa mga benefits nito is mas napomonitor ng mga teachers yung progress ng mga bata. Option B, home-based learning. We have 3 options: online, modular, and homeschooling. Yung online learning, dito yung meron po tayong teachers na nagtuturo live. So it's about 4 hours and the rest of the time, asynchronous na for the activities. So si teachers po yung nagre-record and nagtuturo po sa mga bata. Parang nasa school pa rin po sila pero sa bahay nila ginagawa. Modular learning, it's learning na pwede siyang digital or printed. So sa digital po, meron po tayong binibigay na access para sagutan ng mga bata. Meron po yung lessons, worksheets, activities, and quizzes na pwedeng sagutan ng mga bata online. Yung result or yung score po doon, nakikita din po ng mga parents and teachers. May username and password, and then pwede na nilang i-access yon online. Meron din po tayo na printed. Sa printed naman, it can be yung books or yung module na tinatawag natin. So, pwede nyo siyang i-print or pwede kayong mag-order din sa amin ng hard copy po ng module or ng books na masasagutan at mahawakan and makikita ng mga bata yung ginagawa or activities nila. Ang nag-check ng printed module ay yung mga parents na kasi hindi na namin siya nakikita or hindi na siya na-access sa online. So, we give naman yung grading sheet or initial class record na tinatawag namin para i-record yung mga activities or scores ng mga bata. Ipinapadala po siya sa amin at the end of the quarter through Google Classroom. Ang difference ng modular sa online, yung modular kasi, you can do it anytime. Kasi wala pong teacher doon, so pwede kayong magturo sa anak nyo or pwede kayong mag-hire ng tutor. But sa online, meron tayong specific time for that kasi it's a school setup. Ang homeschooling, inilalagay namin siya under home-based program based sa DepEd Order number 001, Series of 2022. It's a parent-led na yung mga parents ang nagtuturo sa mga anak nila. So, isa sa mga requirements po ng DepEd, sila po yung magpe-prepare or kayo po yung magpe-prepare po ng learning plan, activities, and quizzes po ng mga bata. And kayo din po yung magre-record po doon. So, pwede naman po kayong mag-purchase sa amin ng materials or you can use other materials na mag-fit sa need po ng mga anak po ninyo. If you have more time para mag-prepare ng mga lesson plans or may mga gusto kayo na gawin ng mga anak po ninyo na ibang activities, and then you go for the homeschooling. If wala naman kayong time to prepare the lessons and activities at gusto nyo i-facilitate na lang siya, I suggest you choose the modular learning kasi i-facilitate nyo na lang siya and readily available na po yung mga lessons. Ang advantage ng modular learning, you can learn, study anytime, anywhere, at your own time and pace. bukod sa flexibility niya, mas makakapag-focus tayo dun sa mga strengths ng mga bata, and we can add extracurricular activities like yung sports or arts or anything na doon nag-i-interest yung mga anak natin. Yung blended learning naman, it's a combination of all the learning modalities na meron po tayo. Pwede siyang face-to-face, pwede po siyang home-based learning na kasama po yung online, modular, or homeschooling. Any 2, 3, or lahat po sila, we can combine. Kasi minsan kasi depende din kasi sa learning style ng bata. So, minsan okay sila ng online, then let's go for online. Minsan okay sila ng modular na sila lang, and then go for it. So, nandito lang naman po kami, just ask our help, and then we will support you naman from time to time. May sinasabi po kasi tayo na parang no size fits all. So, kung ano yung mas mag-fit sa family ninyo or sa anak ninyo, and then yun po yung i-avail po natin or gamitin na modality. So, every modality naman po has advantages and disadvantages. Regardless of the modality na pipiliin natin, nandito naman din kami to support you kung ano yung mas kailangan ninyo. Pero siguro yung advice na pwede kong ibigay, mas i-focus muna natin yung character building ng mga anak natin more than academics. Kasi kapag meron na-build yung character nila, academics will follow. Bakit kailangan nilang mag-aral? Bakit nila kailangan gawin ito? And we cannot do that without your support. It's our role as parents to find out ano yung happiness ng anak natin. And how are we going to find out yung happiness ng anak natin? It's their interest. You have to find out kung ano yung interest nila. I always believe that all happy people are successful, but not all successful people are happy. So let's help each other to build your kids. Here at Victorious Children Learning Academy, every learner is a winner.